queen of 21. Woo! That our words are powerful, but our silence can move mountains. So let's remember in this moment, you don't conquer the mountain, you conquer yourself. Take a minute to check in. I love to hear about your progress.
So today what we're gonna do is our 14-day check-in. It's been 2 weeks, right? So behind today's reading, you'll find the sheet to complete your 14-day check-in, and just be honest with yourself about where you are. Have you developed, over the 2 weeks through your assignments and things like that? And this reading is pretty simple. You don't conquer the mountain, you conquer yourself. I'm proud of you guys. 2 weeks y'all been committed. 2 weeks. We got one more week to go, but you know y'all got me started. Because guess what? I love it.
Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word?
Okay, so I'm grateful to be here this morning, and I'm also grateful for the positive women that I have around me in my life, because I definitely need it, and I need it this morning because on my way up I had to cry too.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm so happy to be here with y'all this morning.
It's okay to cry, honey.
Yes, it is.
If you wanna believe that anything can stop me, don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me now.
Grand Rising holiday.
You know how. Don't start caring about me now.
Okay, I am grateful this morning for waking up with no pain in my limbs. I'm able to walk this nature walk without limping and without being in pain, so that's a big deal to me.
Amen.
And I'm just thankful to be around you guys and positive energy and sisterhood.
If you wanna.
Grateful for communication and to virtually still be connected.
Yes.
With you all.
Yes. Let me get you here with the good sun rays and the good green grass. And Missy on the mission, not Missy, y'all. You better run that back slow.
Did you see you kiss Jamie? I gave you a kiss.
Okay, one more time. All right, hold on.
Go ahead.
Okay, I
like that.
cheerleaders.
I like that energy. We will end today's meetup with our mantra. What's in my cup is for me, and what runs out of it is for everyone else. I love you guys.